Thinking of buying a turboprop aircraft? Here are the current market prices for the top 5 models. First, the King Air C90B costs between $630,000 to $1.8 million. Next, the powerful King Air B250 comes at around $5.2 million. The spacious King Air B350 is priced between $4.8 to $5.6 million. The versatile Pilatus PC-12 goes for $6.5 to $7 million plus, while the reliable Caravan 208B costs $2.6 to $3 million. For aircraft purchase inquiries, get in touch with Patliputra Air Charter,